Hi, good morning. I'm Loris Santenucci, the technical director from Helios Automazioni. We are an Italian company. We produce CNC machine, and my position is to connect the customer needs to the company. So let's say all the customer needs are passing through me. So we are going to decide which is the best option to let our customer work in the right way. We are a CNC producer, and in the last years we developed a lot of technologies like water jet, or the machine that I have behind me, like the Star, that is a machine like a robot, but is a linear robot where you can work masterpieces. And for example, we have also three-axis machine, from the smallest for engraving and sculpture to arrive to the linear integrating system, where you can have a few machines in line for kitchen top production or for massive production, always about the stone process. Considering we have a wide range of CNC machine, I want to introduce the ZT Jet. Is a 5-axis bridge saws with the spring-loaded spindle, so you can polish slabs or tombstone or what is needed, and 5-axis head water jet, where you can perform all the cuts that you need. And here, thanks to the manipulator and this configuration with two tables, you can manage all the cuts on the first table, then you can move the pieces to the second one and finish your products. Basically, considering we are a CNC producer, um, we sell machine to small artisans, need to make engraving, letters, sculpture with a small CNC router, to arrive to sell. We sell machines to big quarry, like the machine I have behind me, the Helios Star, able to work big blocks of stone and make masterpieces. And considering we have all technology for the stone market, we sell machine all around the world.